Welcome to COVID Checker tutorial. To access the system, open a Google Chrome or any browser from your desktop and type 203.177.67.124/SOPCCS and press Enter key to proceed to login page. Enter your credentials and click Sign in. This display all the samples sent for confirmation. To confirm samples that arrived, just click Arrived button adjacent to the patient's sample. Select the date when the samples arrived. Then click Yes. After confirming that the samples have arrived, you can now verify the other information needed for the patient's sample. Just click Verify button adjacent to the patient's sample. Fill out the form. Then click Submit. And if you wish to print this result, you can just click the Print button. After the verification, the form will now be transferred to the completed dashboard. To search patient by name, type the name here. Then click the Search button. This displays all the samples with the same name that you have searched. Now, let's proceed to completed dashboard. Just click Completed. This will display all samples that have been confirmed. To view the result of the samples, you can click the View button adjacent to the patient's sample. And if you wish to print this result, you can just click the Print button. To search patient by name, type the name here. Then click the Search button. This displays all the confirmed samples with the same name that you have searched. Let's move on to Staff dashboard. Just click Staff. It is where you can see all your laboratory staff added to the system. This list will be used in the drop-down menu when filling out a form for the results of the patient's sample. To search a laboratory staff, type the name here. Then click the Search button. If the staff doesn't exist, you may add him or her by clicking the Add Staff button. Fill out the form. Then click Submit. Your staff is successfully added to the system. You may also download the line list. Just click Line List and it will automatically download the line list in an Excel format. You can log out from the system by just clicking Log Out. That concludes the tutorial. For more inquiries, please contact DOH CVCHD. Thank you.